Good morning, everyone. Hope you are fine. Today we will be doing bit ninth word problems. Let's start. Now, children, we are doing the ninth bit word problems. Okay, first you read the question properly, then understand and solve it. So here, Kiran drinks 215 milliliter of milk in the morning and 225 milliliter in the evening. Okay, how much milk does she drink in a day? So Kiran drinks 215 ml of milk in the morning and 215 ml in the evening. So how much milk she drinks in a day? So write the statements. Quantity of milk drinks in the morning 215 ml. Quantity of milk drinks in the evening 225 ml. Okay, ml means milliliter. Quantity of milk drinks in a day. So what we will do? We will add it. 5 plus 5 is 10, 0. Carry 1 on 10's place. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So quantity of milk 400 milliliter of milk she drinks in a day. So Kiran drinks. So Kiran drinks 440 milliliter of milk in a day. Now here 2 buckets of water can hold 16 liter and 15 liter of water respectively. What is the total quantity of water in both the buckets? Okay, see 2 buckets are there. One bucket 16 liter, it holds 16 liter, and another bucket it holds 15 liter. So total quantity we have to find out. So write the statements. Capacity of one bucket. In one bucket how much liter of water can come? 16 liter it holds. And capacity of the other bucket 15 liter. So total quantity of water in both the buckets. So we will do again addition here. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 here. 1 goes to carry. 1, 2, 3. So 31 liter. So the quantity of water in both the buckets is how many? 31 liter. Okay, let us do the third sum. A shopkeeper had 250 kg of wheat. He sold 150 kg of wheat. How much of wheat was left with the shopkeeper? So total quantity of wheat a shopkeeper had 250 kg, and how much wheat he has sold? 115 kg of wheat he has sold. And how much wheat is left with him? How much we have to find out that. Okay, so quantity of wheat a shopkeeper had 250 kg total quantity he was having. Quantity of wheat sold, how much wheat he has sold? 115 kg of wheat he has sold. So how much wheat is left with him? We have to find out. So let us do the subtraction. If you do minus, you will get how much wheat is left with him. From 0, 5 will not go. You need to borrow and make it 10. This will become 4. Okay. 10 minus 5 is 5. And 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 135 kg of wheat was left with the shopkeeper. Fourth question. A rope 65 meter long is cut into 2 pieces. The length of one piece is 38 meter. What is the length of the other piece? So a rope of 65 meter is cut into 2 pieces. So the length of one piece is 38. So we have to find out the length of the other piece. So write the statements. Total length of a rope is 65 meter. Length of one piece is 38 meter. So length of the other piece. So what we have to do? We have to do subtraction. So from 5, 8 will not go. We need to borrow. We are taking 1 tenths. So it will become 15 ones. So just and on tens place we have 5. So 15 minus 8 is after 8 till 15 you count. 8 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7 is left here and 5 minus 3 is 2. So the length of the other piece is 27 meter. So here we have completed our word problems. We will meet in our next class. Okay, thank you.